Hello and welcome to today's video where we will discuss how to make $100 a day with print on demand. Print on demand is an excellent way to start a business without the need for any upfront investment. With print on demand, you can create and sell your own designs on various products such as t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and many more. In this video, we will discuss the steps you need to take to earn $100 a day with print on demand. We will cover the tools you need, product selection, marketing strategies, and much more. So let's get started. Step 1. Choose a print-on-demand platform. The first step to making $100 a day with print-on-demand is to choose a platform to sell your products. There are many print-on-demand platforms available, such as Printful, Teespring, and Redbubble, among others. These platforms allow you to create your designs and sell them on various products without the need for any inventory or shipping. When choosing a platform, consider the fees charged by the platform, the quality of the products, the variety of products offered, and the ease of use of the platform. Step 2. Choose your products. The next step is to choose the products you want to sell. Consider the market demand and the profitability of the products. T-shirts are a popular product to sell on print-on-demand platforms, but you can also sell phone cases, mugs, hats, and many other items. Research your niche and find out what products your target audience is interested in buying. You can also create your designs for these products or hire a graphic designer to create them for you. Step 3. Create your designs. Once you have chosen your products, the next step is to create your designs. Your designs should be unique and appealing to your target audience. Consider the colors, font, and style that will resonate with your target audience. You can use tools such as Canva, Adobe Illustrator, or Photoshop to create your designs. Alternatively, you can hire a graphic designer to create your designs for you. Step 4. Set your prices. The next step is to set your prices. Consider the cost of the product, the printing cost, and the platform fees when setting your prices. You should also consider the price point of your competitors and the perceived value of your products. Be careful not to price your products too high or too low. Setting your prices too high may make it difficult to sell your products, while setting them too low may reduce your profit margins. Step 5. Promote your products. The final step is to promote your products. You can use social media platforms, such as Instagram and Facebook, to promote your products to your target audience. You can also use paid advertising on these platforms to reach a wider audience. Consider collaborating with influencers or bloggers in your niche to promote your products. You can also attend trade shows or events to showcase your products and build relationships with potential customers. In conclusion, making $100 a day with print on demand requires careful planning and execution. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can create and sell your own designs on various products and generate a steady income. Remember to choose a platform, select your products, create your designs, set your prices, and promote your products effectively. With determination and hard work, you can achieve your goal of making $100 a day with print on demand. If you enjoyed today's video and have not already subscribed, do it now so you know when the next video is uploaded. Thanks for watching and don't forget to join us for the next video.